Hey, what's up, Theta Network holders? So we talk about the expected price target of Theta Network because all holder ask this question to please say about the price target of Theta Network. So I will tell you, my friend, in this video, but we need also predicate this coin, and I will update you. And absolutely, my friend, we need to share opinion, my brother, in this video. So first of all, my brother, this time the Theta Network chain occurring last 1 hour plus 1%, last 1 day 12%, last 7 days 64%. It's a very good profit, my brother, and absolutely Theta Network is completely on the trending. So this time, my brother, the last 1 month chart is going to be very bad now, definitely, my friend, because all crypto market is very badly dumps down. So therefore, as you can see, my brother, Theta Network is also very badly dumps down. And what's the main reason, my friend? The main reason is just only, my friends, two. The first reason is that the short-term investor, they are starting selling, and definitely, my friend, they will fail down. And the second main reason is that, my brother, especially the second main reason, at the mid of month, in the start of month, every coin is very badly fails down. So therefore, my brother, this coin will fails down, but my brother, in those days they will completely going to be good now. So I hope, my brother, Theta Network will also give me, my friend, a good profit at the end of this month. But just only, my friend, if this coin is very good, my friend, for long-term investors. So kindly, if you have any plan to invest for a long time, so I think Theta Network is one of the good option. Yes, my brother. So Theta Network price, you can see here 7.42 USD dollar. I hope, my brother, the profit is also increasing, and they will give you, my friend, one day, my friend, just only easily, my friend, this is easily to 15 USD dollars. So this is possible now. This is our target. Theta Network holder, what experts say about, my brother, your, my friend, a decision. If you are starting selling, so what experts says, can this is will be right? Yes, absolutely, my brother. At the end of month, every holder are starting selling, so therefore it's going to be right. But especially if you are a short-term investor, and if you just only buy it at the end of month, then don't sell it, holder. Please remember. Alright, so thanks for watching Theta Network holder. My prediction is completely going to be positive now, and I know to upcoming time they will move upwards. So I will tell you, my brothers, to kindly stay here and wait for a good time. I hope they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching Theta Network holder. Please remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.